First, let's create a frame with 600 width. Then create a frame inside. This is going to be our card with content. Then let's add some corner radius. And the next step is let's create this green light in corners. To do so, select a pen tool, then create a rectangle with shift, add point and center, and with command create this kind of shape. Select this shape, then let's get some color, add fill color from the reference to this shape, and place this shape inside our frame. Somehow like so. We can and then the next step is to add a layer blur to this shape inside our frame. Select a vector, go to effects, select layer blur, and add some layer blur to this shape. You can change it as you want to get the way how you want it to be. For example, on our reference there are two different green colors, so let's duplicate this and use another green color, and we can somehow combine them in our design, something like that. And the next step, let's add a noise texture. I personally don't like the Figma native noise texture. I prefer to use some images. Let's go to Unsplash website and find some image with noise texture. So I insert it in our frame. Then go to image, go to the way these settings, and select let's select an soft light and change opacity to some value like 20%. Now our image has green colors and noise texture, and the next step, let's add an inner green shadow. To do so, select our main frame, then go to the effects, select inner shadow, and add inner shadow, add some blur. Something like that. And the final touch, let's add liquid glass effect to our main frame. Let's play with some settings. And the next step, let's put some content inside this frame. And this is how it works. If you want to use it in email design, you can export this with MarkEmail Junior Figma plugin. So links to the file will be in the description. Thank you for watching.